connecting dental enterprises worldwide, empowering every smile. Yanman, a comprehensive provider of CAD/CAM dental solutions. 3 core brands, redefining product value with Yanman. There you focused on the R&D and production of implant components, utilizing imported Swiss-type automatic lathes. And refined production management. We ensure every finished product meets the highest standards of precision and craftsmanship. Cradle, offering a full range of dental milling machines, supporting materials such as zirconia, titanium, PEEK, PMMA, and gloss ceramics, fully compatible with various dental manufacturing needs through the deep integration of IoT technology and modular designing. We significantly enhance production efficiency and ease of management. Wet Blue Burrs, dedicated to providing high-quality milling burrs for the dental industry. With a wide variety of models and specifications, our burrs meet a diverse demand of material processing, ensuring high precision and efficiency throughout the machining process. Yanman's commitment to quality remains unwavering, from design to production, from quality control to after-sales service. Meticulous craftsmanship is reflected in every detail, using high-precision Z-coordinate measuring machines. We inspect dimensions and geometry tolerances of key components, strictly controlling each production step to ensure every product meets the highest technical and quality standards. Yanman stays at the forefront of technology. We continue to drive the advancement of CAD/CAM and IoT integration. With a demand-driven approach, we actively explore forward-designing methodologies to refine product performance in practical applications and enhance attention to detail. Through ongoing innovation and efficient production strategies, we provide smarter and more convenient solutions for dental enterprises around the globe. Looking ahead, Yanman will continue optimizing production strategies, expanding its global service network. With technological innovation as our foundation, we aim to partner with dental companies worldwide to reach new heights in the industry. For reliable dental milling, choose Yanman.